After the storm, fate unfolds with a promise buried in the mud. Intrigued by the map's secrets, curiosity beckons them towards the hidden treasure's allure. Choices loom before them, testing bonds forged in the face of uncertainty. Challenges emerge amidst the shadows, threatening to dim the spark of hope in their eyes. A final challenge awaits, veiled in the dragon's fiery gaze, daring them to unlock its secrets. Wisdom cloaked in mystery, the riddle beckons minds to unravel its cryptic message. Eureka whispers through the air, guiding their thoughts towards an unforeseen revelation. Bonds forged in hardship solidify their resolve, paving the way towards victory. Victory gleams in their eyes, testament to the strength found in unity and the power of unwavering friendship. Lessons imparted by trials faced, their hearts light with newfound understanding and the magic of shared adventures.